Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest skincare solutions to give you the scoop you need. Today, we're tackling a common skincare woe, blackheads.
And guess what?
We've got a powerhouse product to talk about.
Meet the ProactivMD Adapalene Gel Acne Kit. This isn't just your ordinary face wash. It's a complete 3-step system designed to kick those stubborn blackheads to the curb.
First up, let's talk about the Ultra Gentle Cleanser. Infused with green tea, this cleanser is like a breath of fresh air for your skin.
It's gentle yet effective, perfect for even the most sensitive skin types.
Next, we have the star of the show, the Adapalene Gel Acne Treatment. Say goodbye to blackheads, whiteheads, and clogged pores.
This powerhouse ingredient gets to work, preventing breakouts and giving you clear, radiant skin.
Last but not least, we have the Ultra Hydrating Moisturizer. Formulated with hyaluronic acid, this moisturizer restores your skin's moisture barrier, reducing redness and leaving your skin feeling hydrated and refreshed.
But don't just take my word for it. Check out these incredible before and after photos from satisfied customers. This kit isn't just about treating existing breakouts, it's about preventing future ones, too. So, if you're tired of battling blackheads and want a skincare solution that works, look no further than the ProactivMD Adapalene Gel Acne Kit. It's a game changer for anyone looking to achieve clear, glowing skin.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and product reviews. Until next time, stay radiant.